All right, here we got a new unused AGT. There's a L13R mini excavator cabbed. This one's actually got a radio. That's pretty awesome. So we'll do a quick little walk around. Got the beacon on the top. It's a new addition. I'll have the measurements for the bucket and the blade in the description. So yeah, I'll fire it up, let you hear it run, kind of move it around a little, and that'll be that. Got it, Mason?
Yep.
Okay. Quick preview. You can come check it out on our preview day, which is Friday before the sale from 9 to 4.